Hello, Elliot. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently, and how Colony Home Services stacks up to its competition. So in this video, I'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining customers. So the two things I'm going to go over today are website content, including keywords and backlinks. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page, and you want that to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like round rock restoration, water damage restoration Austin, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way when anyone types those searches into Google, your website is the one that pops up. Now, taking a look at your website, I do love how clean and professional it is, especially this little text here that substitutes out, the different types of reconstruction services. I thought that was pretty cool. I love the call to service, and then just how your different services and testimonials and everything is separated up here. I really like how you use a lot of pictures to demonstrate, what the services that you do provide. And however, I would highly recommend placing your phone number or some sort of another call to action up here at the top, just to make sure that you're capturing as many people as possible who enter in on your site, and making sure that anywhere your phone number is listed, that is a clickable link, because most people are doing these types of searches on their mobile device. Now, the next thing I wanted to go over with you is going to be the actual content on this homepage. Again, you want it to be about 1,500 to 2,000, and the reason for that is it allows you to insert those keyword phrases all throughout the homepage and build content around them, because if you were to just put a bunch of keywords into a paragraph, Google actually penalizes you for that and won't allow you to rank for those keywords if you're just stuffing them, as what it's referred to. So what you do is you take a keyword, you build it around 100 to 150 words of content, and then you just stick with that ratio throughout your the whole homepage. That'll allow you to rank for 12 to 15 keywords, which, considering your line of service, that's going to be more than enough to try and get the homepage ranked. If there are any outliers, what you do is you go up to your back service pages, and then you just include those additional keyword or keyword phrases that you're trying to rank for. And now the next thing I want to go over is something called backlinks. Now, the thing with Google is it is like a popularity contest, because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. And not only how many, but also the quality of the websites, the relevance to your line of work. For example, you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that's from a commercial painter's blog for reconstruction, or a popular website featuring various types of home services, something that has to do with what you offer, as opposed to like your local Domino's pizza. So I did take a look here at your website, and just to see how things are looking as far as your backlink profile, the keywords you're targeting, so on and so forth. You do have 14 referring domains. That's 14 websites pointing back to you 54 times. You are targeting 17 keywords. However, you're not receiving any traffic to your actual website. So no unique visitors over the last month. Taking a look at your keywords, you do have some in there that are going to be those high buyer intent. There are definitely many, many more out there that might be able to yield some better results for you. I saw that you are ranking for things like plumber. Oh, Eris is freezing out on me. Plumber, Round Rock, Texas. Also just water damage or flood damage. So things like that. As opposed to your competitor here, I did Austin because they do service Austin and the greater area around Austin, so Round Rock, Georgetown, Buda, all those different areas, and they have over almost 1,500 backlinks from 143 domains, targeting 192 keywords, and they have an organic traffic of 305. So just something to look at as far as what you could potentially have coming in. Again, I don't know how much of Austin you service or if you want to try and stay away from Austin, but you are going to have a lot more volume in a bigger city, just by law of numbers. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, we'd be happy to speak with you. Feel free to give Megan a call. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you.